Hello and good afternoon. This is a part of the series regarding climate change crisis. And in today's segment, I am going to cover this beautiful lake situated in Srinagar, Kashmir and nestled at the feet of the mountain. Dal Lake is one of the finest lakes in Southeast Asia. A great tourist attraction, it presents an absolute spectacle for the onlookers. But the sad part is Dal Lake is shrinking. It is very important to take care of the algal growth and the form of vegetation which can be at times dangerous for the health of the lake. Climate change crisis is a major issue, and so is the health of water ecosystems. All these issues are joined at the hip. This is my small contribution towards this major environmental crisis and a small effort to make sure we raise the awareness for the generations to follow. I am your host, Tufail Rigu, signing off. Thank you and bye-bye.